La 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 la. What? What in the world is going on here? Are they?
Is that for charity?
Did they just steal a refrigerator in the middle of the day on a
What? Go quicker.
videotape?
Now is that for charity?
Sticker and magnets. Sticker and magnets. This is going to be covered with sticker and magnets. It's like refrigerator tattoos, but better because you get to pick them. It's great. We were thinking it'd be about 134 pounds with a beer in here. Papa and Grammy would they usually have. So I'm so glad it's empty.
Yeah.
Because it's getting heavy.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I can't see it. I'm not turning around. I still
Don't stick the phone out the window.
like that, like that.